Have you ever wondered why avocado oil has become so popular in health and cooking circles? Well, it's not just a trend. This oil is packed with nutrients and benefits that make it stand out from many others. Avocado oil is made from the creamy flesh of ripe avocados, and what makes it really special is its healthy fat content. It's loaded with monosaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which is the same heart-friendly fat found in olive oil. These fats help to reduce inflammation, support healthy cholesterol levels, and lower the risk of heart disease. So when you cook with avocado oil, you're not just adding flavor, you're also boosting your heart health. It's also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps to protect your body's cells, strengthens your immune system, and keeps your skin looking healthy. On top of that, avocado oil contains lutein, an important nutrient for eye health. Lutein helps guard your eyes against harmful UV rays and may lower the risk of age-related eye problems. Here's something that every home cook will love. Avocado oil has one of the highest smoke points of any cooking oil, about 520 degrees Fahrenheit or 270 degrees Celsius. What does that mean? You can fry, saute, grill, or roast it without worrying about it breaking down or producing harmful compounds. It stays stable, so your meals remain both healthy and delicious. This oil isn't just for the kitchen. It's also amazing for your skin and hair. Thanks to its vitamin E and fatty acids, it works as a natural moisturizer, helping with dryness, soothing irritation, and even promoting wound healing. For hair, it can add shine, fight frizz, and even keep it looking strong. That's why you'll often see avocado oil as an ingredient in natural lotions, conditioners, and beauty products. If you're shopping for avocado oil, here's a tip. Go for cold pressed extra virgin avocado oil. This type is the least processed, meaning it keeps most of its nutrients, flavor, and that lovely green color. Refined avocado oil still works well for cooking, especially at high heat, but it won't have quite the same nutrient, punch, or distinct taste. So, to wrap it up, avocado oil is a true multitasker. It supports heart health, nourishes the skin and hair, and works beautifully in almost any cooking method, whether you're frying up veggies, mixing up a salad dressing, or just looking for a natural way to care for your skin. Avocado oil is a wholesome, versatile choice that you can easily fit into your daily routine.